Hello friends, this is iridium denso spark plug. You don't need to adjust the gap. Their gap is already adjusted in the factory and you don't need to gap them again for the lifetime almost, and you don't need to gap them. This is a copper spark plug. That is NGK brand spark plug. There is a huge cost difference between both these items, but you need to gap this. This is cheap, and the first one I have shown you is a costly part. To gap them, you need feeler gauge. We are going to adjust the gap at 0 to 5 inch or 0.63 mm. If you need to adjust the gap, gently bend the ground electrode in to narrow the gap or bend it out to widen it. Here you can see a slight tapping will narrow the gap. After tapping, adjust the gap by inserting the feeler gauge. Both sides of the feeler gauge must touch the upper and lower electrode. Here you can see the line on the feeler gauge is showing us that it's touching the spark plug on both ends. That is very easy method of adjusting the gap with the help of feeler gauge. You can do it yourself at home. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe the channel for more videos like that.